He's charged with murdering his 5-year-old son, A.J. Freund, and trying to cover it up. But today we're learning Dad, Andrew Freund's case might not make it that far because he's working on a plea deal. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey is working the story from the newsroom. Megan, you just spoke with Freund's attorney.
Right, Brad. He said they took the first steps today and the negotiations will continue next week. It could all hinge on how much information Andrew Freund is willing to give prosecutors about this heinous crime. A.J. Freund's mom and dad, JoAnn Cunningham and Andrew Freund, face a combined 61 charges of murder, aggravated battery, and concealing a homicide after A.J. was found beaten to death and buried in a shallow grave in a field in Woodstock. Andrew Freund reported the boy missing on April 18th and then led investigators to A.J.'s body a week later. In a series of exclusive conversations between Cunningham and CBS 2 investigator Brad Edwards, A.J.'s mom claimed that Freund could have more to tell.
If it's true, then he needs to grow some balls and he needs to tell them so everyone else isn't suffering. You know, I'm here.
Legal experts tell me that's what prosecutors are banking on. Today, Freund's attorney told me they've started working towards a negotiated plea, and his client is willing to cooperate. So far, we know what the indictment alleges, that Freund and Cunningham forced A.J. to stand in a cold shower for an extended period of time, beat him, and sent him to bed cold and naked just 3 days before Freund reported A.J. missing. Investigators also uncovered a search for child CPR on Freund's phone. If Freund is able to provide truthful and perhaps incriminating testimony in Cunningham's case, his attorney is hopeful that he could be rewarded with a plea deal. Today, the McHenry County State's Attorney's Office told me they won't comment on this case or the discussions that took place this morning. Court records show those negotiations will continue at Freund's next court date, which is set for Tuesday. Live in the newsroom, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 investigator.